Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Today we will start the new statements. In your last video you are given some statements or statements like theorem to prove, and also I told the introduction of every statement. Now here the more statements you can prove, but in our last video we prove if opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then quadrilateral is parallelogram. If diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then quadrilateral is parallelogram. If opposite angles of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is parallelogram. Then fourth statement, if diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then parallelogram is rectangle. If diagonals of a parallelogram, suppose this is a parallelogram, if diagonals BD AC in parallelogram, AC is equal to BD, here given point AC is equal to BD. If diagonals of parallelogram are equal, then this is rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. You can prove by taking nothing else, only we can take two triangles and compare to them and congruent according to CBSE. Rest components of equal or congruent triangles are equal, which is our proof. This much. So if diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then that parallelogram is a rectangle. Then next, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal and intersect each other at a right angle, then the parallelogram is square. If diagonals, I draw number 5 diagram. This is a parallelogram. What is given point? A, B, C and D is a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals of parallelogram are equal and intersect each other at right angle. Intersect each other at right angle. This is right angle. This is 90 degree. All are 90 degree. If diagonals of a parallelogram are equal and intersect at a right angle, then that parallelogram is a square. We have to prove it is a square. Means all sides are equal and each angle 90 degree. You have to prove each angle 90 degree and all sides are equal. Then next, if the diagonal of a rectangle intersect each other at a right angle, then 6, a rectangle, this is a rectangle, A, B, C, D, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, each angle is right 90 degree. If diagonals of a rectangle, diagonals AC and BD, diagonals of a rectangle intersect each other at a right angle, then the rectangle is a square. Then this rectangle is a square. If the diagonals of a rectangle intersect at a right angle, then it is a square. All sides will be equal. Diagonals are equal. According to rectangle, AC is equal to BD. but AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD according to rectangle, but here is 90 degree. How you can prove it? You can prove by taking the only triangles most of proof. Now take a screenshot, then we will go to the seventh statement. Seven, a diagonal of a square makes an angle 45 degree with the side of a square. Very easy. A diagonal of a square, suppose this is a square, ABCD is a square. A diagonal, any diagonal you can draw. If the diagonal of a square makes an 45 degree with its side, sorry, a diagonal of a square makes an 45 degree with its side of the square. ABCD is a square. We have to prove the diagonal makes 45 degree. This is 45, this is 45. We can make very easy. This is 90 degree. So in this triangle, this side is equal to this side. So this angle is equal to this angle. So sum of two angles is 90 degree. So each angle is equal to 45 degree. Very easy. Now statement 8. A diagonal of a rhombus bisect the angles at the vertices. Now rhombus, this is a rhombus A, B, C, D. We have to prove a diagonal of a rhombus, any diagonal, suppose BD is a diagonal, any diagonal of a rhombus bisect the angles at the vertices. So here is a diagonal, ABCD is a rhombus. As it is a quadrilateral, there are 4 vertices of a quadrilateral. Either it be rhombus, rectangle, square, whatever it may be. 4 sided is a quadrilateral. So this is the vertex, this is another vertex. Those B and D are vertex opposite to each other. So and A and C are vertices opposite to each other. So the diagonal of a rhombus, this is a rhombus, all sides equal. This is rhombus. As all sides are equal, then we have to prove BD is the bisector of angle B and angle D. So this angle will be this angle, this angle will be this angle. We have to prove. Nothing else. You can take 2 triangles, this triangle and this triangle. So as a rhombus, opposite angles are equal. As it is a parallelogram, rhombus is a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side. So 2 triangles are congruent to each other according to CBSE. Then all angles are equal. In this way we can find this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, for which BD is the bisector of angles at the vertices. The next 9. The diagonal of a rhombus intersect each other at a right angle. We already proved this statement. The diagonals of the rhombus intersect each other at right angle. Then 10. If the diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at a right angle, the parallelogram is a rhombus. If the diagonals of the parallelogram 10. Diagonals of the parallelogram, suppose this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. The diagonals of the parallelogram intersect at a right angle, means 90 degree, intersect at a right angle. Then this parallel proved that, means AC, given AC is perpendicular to BD. Then prove that ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. So this is a parallelogram. If we compare two triangles, then if all sides are equal, then it will be a rhombus. Then 11. If the diagonals of a rhombus are equal, the rhombus is a square. If a diagonal of a rhombus, suppose this is a rhombus A, B, C, D. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. This is the diagonal AC and BD. If diagonals of a rhombus are equal, AC is equal to BD. If AC is equal to BD, the diagonals of the rhombus are equal. Then we have to prove this is a square. Before we prove the square, what is the language? What is the square? Each angle is 90 degree. Because in rhombus, all sides are equal. Diagonals bisect at a 90 degree. In rhombus, also in a square. But what is the turning point? Have to be proved. It is shows that is rhombus. Sorry, that is square. Means if we have proved, or if we prove each angle is 90 degree, then rhombus turns into square. This much the statement, and the proof you can prove by your own, very easy. If you understand about the triangle, parallel lines and transversal and congruency conditions, you can prove, you can do 90 to 95 problems by your own. So geometry is nothing but easiest chapter, easier topic. Once we understand, we never come back, we go forward and forward. So we will do some examples. Now example 1, question number 1. Here is a diagram ABCD is a parallelogram A, A, B, C and D, AC diagonal produced up to P, as this is a parallelogram. AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD, and this angle is 50 degree. This angle Z, and this side 3x minus 1 cm, this side 2 into x plus 1 cm, this angle y, and this angle 102 degree. This much is the figure given point D. So what is the value of x, y and z? This is the question. If there is a diagram, ABCD is a parallelogram, this angle is 50 degree, this is Z, this angle is 120, this is y, and this side is 2x minus 1, here 2 into x plus 1 centimeter. What are the values of x, y and z? What are the value of x, y and z? First, look, if it is a parallelogram, we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 2. Implies that 3x minus 2x is equal to 2 plus 1, means x is equal to 3 centimeter. X is equal to 3 centimeter, not AB is 3 centimeter. AB is equal to 3, 3 is 9, minus 1, 8 centimeter, that is 8. So x is equal to 3 centimeter. Then what is the value of y and what is the value of z? Look, this is the parallel lines. AB and CD are parallel to each other. AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. This parallel to this. So angle Z is equal to Z. This will be angle Z because it is alternate interior angle. This parallel to this. This is the transversal. So this is Z. Also this is Z. Now look. If AD is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal, so this is 50 and this angle is also 50 degree. This angle is also 50 degree. So 50 plus Z plus 102 is equal to 180 degree because they are co-joined angle. Co-joined angle or co-interior angle. So 120 plus 50 plus Z, 102 plus 50 plus Z is equal to 180 degree because co-interior angles or LED angles are supplemented to each other, means the sum of the LED angles is 180 degree. So Z is equal to 180 minus 152, that is equal to 8 and 17 minus 15, 2. The value of Z is x is Z is 20 degree and the value of y, Z plus y 180. So y is equal to 180 minus Z, that is equal to 180 minus 28, that is equal to 2 and 17 minus 2, 15 degree. This is the answer. So x, y, z, the value of x, y and z already found out. This is the question. So we have vast knowledge about parallelogram, trapezium, rectangle, square, rhombus, definition with theorem, statements for which we can do many more problems we solve. Now take a screenshot. We will go to the next question. Question number 2, also a given figure. This is a given figure. A, B, C, D. So ABCD is a rhombus given. ABCD rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. And here is a diagonal. What measure? This is 4x minus 4. This is 3x plus 2. This angle is 90 degree, 60 degree. This is y minus 1. This diagonal is y minus 1 centimeter. This much. Find x, y. Find x is equal to how much? Y is equal to how much? Very simple. We know as ABCD is a rhombus. According to definition of rhombus, all sides are equal. First, all sides are equal. This equal to this equal to this. All sides equal. So AD is equal to AB. 4x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 2. Here we can find out the x value. 4x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 2. So 4x minus 3x, x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 centimeter. First step over. Then second step, what is the value of y? Look, if this is a rhombus, this is a triangle, ABD is a triangle. In ABD triangle, this is 60 degree. As this side is equal to this side, so this angle is equal to this angle. So it will be 60 degree and it will be 60 degree. So ABD is a equilateral triangle. As angle A is equal to 60 degree, so ABD, triangle ABD is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So all sides are equal. Either this equal to this or this equal to this, whatever it may be. So y minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2 implies that y minus 1 is equal to 3. X means 6. 3 into 6, 18 plus 2. So y is equal to 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 centimeter. So this is the x value, this is the y value, 6 centimeter value of x and value of y 21 centimeter. So in the next class we will do some problems relating to rectilinear figure. I think perhaps the next video will be the last video of this topic. So for today, if you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe. That's why you can get every video in any time. So for today this much. Thanks. Goodbye. Have a nice day today.